I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious BBQ sauce with pineapple juice. First, gather your key ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of pineapple juice, 1½ cups of ketchup, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Don't forget your spices like smoked paprika, garlic powder, and a pinch of salt and black pepper to build that foundational flavor. Now let's get cooking. Pour all your measured ingredients into a medium saucepan. Stir everything together thoroughly until well combined. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Make sure to stir it occasionally to prevent any sticking to the bottom. Let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it reaches your desired thickness. The best part about homemade sauce is customizing it. Taste your sauce and adjust the flavors as needed. If you prefer it sweeter, add a bit more brown sugar. For extra tang, a splash more apple cider vinegar works wonders. Want some heat? Stir in about 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper or a dash of your favorite hot sauce. A tablespoon of soy sauce can also add a nice umami depth. Once your delicious pineapple BBQ sauce is ready, let it cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 10 days, making it perfect for meal prep. This versatile sauce is fantastic on grilled chicken, pulled pork, or even as a dipping sauce for appetizers. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.